In this video, I'll show you how to log out of new Outlook app on PC. If you have the latest Outlook application on your PC, go ahead and open that and make sure you're signed in into your Outlook account. At the top right of your screen, you'll be able to find your profile icon, and once you click on that, you'll be able to find your small account information and a sign out button above it. So what you can do now, if you have the latest Outlook app, go ahead and do the same and then select manage accounts or account settings. Now look for the option to sign out or remove your account and confirm the action when prompted. An alternative method that you can use to be able to log out of the new Outlook app on your PC is to go ahead and head over into your settings. Now on your settings, what you can do is to go ahead and head over into the accounts tab. All of your logins that are saved on this device can be found on the accounts tab under the email and accounts. So in here, what you can do is to go ahead and click on that specific email that you want to remove from your account, and then you'll be able to find that remove button below it. So click on that remove button and your account will immediately be logged out of the new Outlook app on your device. And that's basically how you can log out of the new Outlook app on your PC. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.